Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow1969 coming to you from my man cave. I got some crystal blocks here. One of them is the new version, something that's called the version 3, the colored block, and I also have the older version. The script version is called version 1, and like the manuscript or block lettering is version 2. Let's check that out. Okay. Slip off the sleeve, and there it is. This is the version 2 with the block lettering of Ovation of the Seas, and here's the new version. Got a sleeve, got a nice little magnetic case, it's pretty cool. Protective covering, and there is that block. Alright, the colored block. And there they are side by side, which are close to the same size. There might be a little bit higher on the new block. They're definitely thinner. They're not as wide as or thick as original ones, but they are close to the same size. The colored version is a little bit larger, going, I guess, left to right. But there they are side by side. You get your first, like, milestone commemorative crystal block at 140 crown and anchor points, and every 70 points thereafter. You gain 1 crown and anchor point for every night you stay on board a Royal Caribbean ship. 2 points if you stay in a suite. If you're going solo, you will get 1 additional point per night for staying on board one of their ships, so you get 2 points per night, or 3 points per night if you're lucky enough to stay solo in one of the suites. Hopefully you appreciated this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And also, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.